playing about Pickle and Wiggly. And just have a top practice. Turn on the notifications. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Having fun and traveling.
It's having fun and traveling.
Stopping to eat and going back and getting back to pass and all that. I was hitting 60 cents.
My aunt, mom, kids, everybody's here. Gonna have fun. Favorite ride, the little helicopter ride that takes forever. Yeah, the pink one. I haven't been on that one. Maybe we can do that. I can't do too much because I just had surgery on my back, so it's not bad because the kids are going to be here, so it works out perfect. But I'm still kind of worried about what all rides to ride. Really don't want my stitches fall out. Braylon can finally ride Surf Dog.
Getting your belly rub.
You excited, Brian?
I want to sit with Zero.
Huh?
Excited already? Allie, I really want to do one of my videos.
We just want to make YouTube videos.
Really? I want you all to message YouTube, like the whole world, like whoever's watching this. I want you all to like put a message to YouTube saying, you need to make the limit of like how many days it would take to change your YouTube channel. Like make it be like about like any time. Like the limit is like about like 1 nanosecond. How about that? To Allie's channel.
Yep, he said subscribe to Allie's channel.
And I'm in it. Hi.
Yep, Braylon's in it. Brady's in it. So he's having fun and traveling, right?
Having fun and traveling.
It's having fun and traveling.
That's what we do, right?
Apple Prince.
Braylon survived the Surf Dog. Did you like it?
I don't care if I did. That's pretty cool.
The basketball star is going to play one and win. That's what it's called. Brody.
It's okay.
I don't know how to
do the swings.
I don't know how to shut myself in.
What, baby?
I don't know how to shut myself
Oh,
in.
don't get it. It's not our deal for you. She's ready to ride this. Birdie break.
With that off, you get it up and out again.
Brady break. Hey, you're Brady.
Get this guy some. He wants some. He's been getting left out. He's the black sheep of the
Get
bunch.
yeah. He's a black sheep.
Yeah, he's getting neglected.
I'd give him some.
Yeah, he's looking for it. Hey, buddies.
Eating some and then packing her. Right down
I'll leave you around me. Sandy's allergic.
Oh, really? Little donkey donk. Hey, buddy. Hey, pony.
big old rip.
Great race on the go. One, shake and going Chrissy back. She's going to go on this ride, aren't she? Whoop, whoop. She went on a water ride and got sick. Yep, see her hair. Ooh, yeah. But she got cooled off. She said she's going to go on the vortex. No, just joking.
Is that scary?
Yeah, it hurts your back more than anything. Yeah. Brody, you excited for this ride?
Sure.
Sure. We are going to ride on the carousel. Braylon's excited. You excited? Everyone else is at the roller coaster, but we're at the merry-go-round. Braylon found her favorite horse, purple and pink. You excited, Pixie Face?
I'm so excited.
So excited. She has pizza on her face. It's okay. Go and see Impractical Jokers walking in the big sandy arena.
So thank you for coming along for that ride.
Yeah, appreciate it. That's it. It's a t-shirt with our faces on it from high school.
Street, or if they meet the four of us at like a Chili's or something, they'll come up to them, and if they see me, they'll be like, "Oh my God, Q, don't tell the other guys you're my favorite," right? But it happens to all of us all the time. We all hear that we're someone's favorite. In fact, if we meet people together, people will be like, "Oh, you're my favorite, Q," and then I'll hear them go over to Joe and be like, "Hey, don't tell the other guys you're my favorite."
I just heard you tell him, you liar.
Ruthie's.
She was so sweet and kind. She let my parents sleep in the spare bedroom, and there was only a pull-out sofa left. So Sammy and I, the Russian guy, shared the sofa bed, and we slept head to toe.
Don't be gentle with it. And I was like, no problem, I got this. He goes, well, this is the last take. So if we, if you don't get it, this is it. And I said, no problem. And this is the last take.
Wait just a little bit to start. There you go. And 3, 2, 1, action!
That's it right there. That's how you get sick.
That's it.
Straight up vomit. Vomit torpedo. Fire. The shit now is coming out of my mustache. It moved from my Adam's apple straight up to my mustache.
You look like you're sneezing. You look like you have the world's worst cold.
I mean, what is going on there?
It's like the velocity. It hits the can
so hard it shakes. Honestly, if that's how we all puked, life will be so much better for everyone.
I love that video.
It's the pet's collar.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our vlog to Kings Island and them Practical Jokers. I have my Marco here with me. He keeps barking every time I went to go try to film because he wanted on my lap. But I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I wanted to first say thanks to everybody who subscribed and who's also left comments and liked our vlogs and asked questions, because we love giving our opinions about things. So keep it coming. Hey, Mark. But yeah, so thank you all so much. Anyhow, I went ahead and put Marco down, so he might start barking again. But I just wanted to also kind of rewind a little bit. Last time I know that I said on the last part of the vlog, I think from SeaWorld, hold on Mark, that I was going to have our beach trip. Well, we've lost our footage, and Jeremy has some on his GoPro, but we lost the little connector thing to upload that video. So I guess we won't be putting any vlogs about St. Pete, but we did have a blast. It was a pretty beach, and we definitely, that's our favorite beach in Florida, so we will be back. But I also want to say we are planning another beach trip like we do every year. We're going to Myrtle. We're going to do different things this year. We're going to Myrtle Waves, so we'll have some new stuff to put on there, and so excited. I wanted to say shout out to Brody. Brody Bug, my nephew. Love you. And hi, Braylon. Brody is a YouTuber, and he's just wanting people to check out his channel too. If you want to subscribe. He doesn't really have too many videos on there right now, but he will eventually. He's getting into it, and they both love doing the YouTube, so they're my little sidekicks, my little mini YouTubers, and so they help me out a lot when we do our vlogs. But anyhow, I think that's it. Like I said, thank you all for watching. Thanks for the comments, the subscribes. Hope you enjoyed the Kings Island. We had a great family day. Keep watching, because we are going to be beaching soon. See y'all later.